Scientists predict that the northern lights in 2024 will be the most vibrant and visible that they've been in the last decade. So if seeing the Aurora borealis with your own eyes has been on your bucket list, this is the perfect opportunity to finally witness it in abundance. We're going to show you the top 10 places around the world to see the northern lights and also give you the best tips and tricks, including the best time to go, the easiest ways to get there, and what to do in the meantime while you wait for Mother Nature to turn on its wondrous light show. Number 10. Lapland, Finland. Our first place on the list is Lapland, Finland. Nestled in the far north of Finland, Lapland offers an enchanting winter wonderland where you can see the northern lights. It has wide open areas, forests covered in snow, and lakes frozen over. It's a perfect setting to watch the colorful northern lights dance in the sky. You can also learn about the local Sami culture, ride on reindeer sleds, or go on an exciting snowmobile adventure while you wait for the northern lights to show up. The best time to see the northern lights in Lapland is from September to mid-April. The darkest months of December and January offer the most prolonged periods of darkness, which is essential for a better chance to see the lights. The easiest way to get there is by flying to Rovaniemi Airport. From there, you can take a connecting flight or drive to your chosen destination. It's also recommended to stay in one of the many glass igloos or mobile Aurora camps for the best northern lights viewing experience. Remember to dress warmly with layers though, as temperatures can get extremely cold in Lapland during the winter months. It's also advisable to pack proper winter gear such as hats, gloves, and thermal clothing to stay comfortable during your northern lights adventure. Number 9. Reykjavik, Iceland. Iceland, a land of fire and ice, offers a unique adventure for people looking to see the northern lights. Reykjavik, Iceland's main city, is not just a lively place, but also a good starting point for chasing the lights. You can join a tour to see the beautiful lights or check out Iceland's amazing sights like black sand beaches, hot springs, and majestic waterfalls. The best time to see the northern lights in Iceland is from September to mid-April, especially on clear, cold nights. Reykjavik Airport serves as the main airport for international flights, and from there, it's easy to find a guided tour or self-drive to view the lights. In the daytime, you can visit the Golden Circle or take a relaxing dip in the warm blue lagoon where you'll see Iceland's beautiful scenery. Number 8. Svalbard, Norway. Our next destination on the list is Svalbard, Norway. Situated in the Arctic Ocean, Svalbard offers a truly unique northern lights experience. Known for its rugged landscapes, polar wildlife, and remote beauty, this archipelago is a haven for nature enthusiasts and aurora seekers alike. To witness the northern lights in Svalbard, the best time to visit is from November to February when the polar nights blanket the region in darkness. The absence of light pollution and the pristine Arctic setting makes Svalbard an ideal location for capturing the dancing colors of the auroras. Reaching Svalbard requires a flight from mainland Norway, with the primary airport located in Longyearbyen. From there, you can explore the various settlements and natural wonders of the archipelago. Keep in mind that Svalbard is a regulated area, and you will need to comply with the necessary permits and guidelines for visiting. It's important to note that Svalbard is an environmentally protected area, so being respectful of the local flora, fauna, and cultural heritage is essential. Understanding and adhering to safety protocols, including polar bear safety measures, is crucial for your own well-being and the preservation of this unique ecosystem. Number 7. Yellowknife, Canada. Situated in Canada's Northwest Territories, Yellowknife is renowned for its prime northern lights viewing conditions. Away from the hustle and bustle of city lights, Yellowknife offers clear skies perfect for viewing this natural spectacle. During the day, you can enjoy activities like snowshoeing, ice fishing, or even trying your hand at ice carving. When night falls, head out onto the frozen Great Slave Lake or join a guided tour to witness the mesmerizing dance of the auroras. The best time to see the northern lights in Yellowknife is from November to April, with February and March being the peak months. You can reach Yellowknife Airport from various Canadian cities and then embark on a tour or drive yourself around to explore. If luck is on your side, you might even catch a glimpse of the lights right from your hotel room or while soaking in a hot tub. Make sure to dress in layers and bring warm clothing to keep comfortable while exploring the snowy wilderness. Number 6. Abisko, Sweden. Next up, we have Abisko, a small village located in Swedish Lapland. Lapland, known for its ideal conditions for northern lights viewing. The village is situated in a meteorological blue hole, which results in clearer skies and less precipitation compared to surrounding areas. This unique weather pattern increases the chances of seeing the northern lights. Abisko is also surrounded by mountains, which helps to block out artificial light pollution, further enhancing the visibility of the auroras. The best time to visit is from November to March, with December and January offering longer periods of darkness. You can fly to Kiruna Airport and then take a train to transfer to Abisko. Consider exploring Abisko National Park too, where guided tours, ice fishing, and snowmobile rides are available as you wait for the magical light show. Number 5. Fairbanks, Alaska, United States. Fairbanks is the largest city in interior Alaska and an excellent destination for viewing the northern lights. Its location within the Aurora Oval, a ring-shaped region encircling the magnetic North Pole, makes it an ideal spot for witnessing the lights. Fairbanks experiences long, dark nights during the winter months, giving you lots of chances to see those glowing northern lights. Fairbanks is also home to the Museum of the North, where you can learn about the culture, history, and wildlife of Alaska. During the winter months, you may even get a chance to witness the unique sunrise that occurs during the polar night, where the sky takes on vibrant hues of pink and orange. The best time to visit is from September to April, with peak months being December to February. You can fly to Fairbanks International Airport and arrange a guided tour or rent a car to explore the area. You can also take part in winter activities like dog sledding, ice fishing, or soaking in natural hot springs during the day. Then, when night falls, you're in for a treat with the stunning northern lights. Number 4. Tromsø, Norway. Situated in the Arctic Circle, Tromsø is known as the gateway to the Arctic and offers a spectacular northern lights experience. With its stunning fjords, snow-capped mountains, and picturesque landscapes, Tromsø provides a magical setting to witness the magical lights. The best time to visit Tromsø for northern lights viewing is from late September to early April. During this period, the long nights and relatively clear skies increase your chances of seeing the mesmerizing auroras. The coldest months of January and February tend to offer the most consistent northern lights displays. To reach Tromsø, you can fly directly to Tromsø Airport, which is well connected to major cities in Europe. From the airport, you can easily access the city center and explore the charming streets, visit the Arctic Cathedral, or indulge in local cuisine before embarking on your Northern Lights adventure. Number 3. Inari, Finland. Located in the heart of Finnish Lapland, Inari is another captivating destination renowned for its stunning Northern Lights displays. Surrounded by untouched wilderness, this remote location away from major cities ensures darker skies and provides the perfect setting for experiencing the natural phenomenon in all its glory. The best time to witness the Northern Lights in Inari is from late September to March, when the nights are long and the Arctic sky comes alive with dancing colors. Make sure to plan your trip during this peak season to maximize your chances of breathtaking aurora sightings. To get to Inari, take a flight to Ivalo Airport, which is the main airport serving Finnish Lapland. From there, you can take convenient land transfers that will take you to Inari. While traveling, you can enjoy the amazing views and scenery that Inari has to offer. Besides the incredible northern lights, Inari has a rich Sami culture that you can explore. You can learn about their traditions, crafts, and way of life, and add more excitement to your Arctic adventure. To stay safe during your trip, it's important to dress appropriately for the Arctic weather and follow the advice and instructions of local authorities. Number 2. Kangerlussuaq, Greenland. Another perfect place to witness the northern lights is Kangerlussuaq, located in western Greenland. In addition to northern lights viewing, Kangerlussuaq offers a range of exciting activities such as snowmobiling, cross-country skiing, and exploring the nearby ice sheet. You can also immerse yourself in the beauty and serenity of this remote Arctic region. The best time to see the northern lights in Kangerlussuaq is from September to April, when the nights are longer and darker. To make the most of your visit, it is highly recommended to stay in local accommodations that offer aurora wake-up calls. This way, you won't miss a moment of the magical display in the night sky. To reach Kangerlussuaq, you can fly into Kangerlussuaq Airport from Copenhagen or Reykjavik. This allows for a relatively convenient journey to this remote location. Number 1. Kiruna, Sweden. Our final destination takes us to Kiruna. Located in the Swedish Lapland, Kiruna is famous for its spectacular northern lights displays. This charming town offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural experiences that make it a popular choice for aurora seekers. To see the northern lights in Kiruna, the best time to visit is from September to March, when the nights are long longer and darker. The crisp winter air and pristine snow-covered landscapes add to the magical atmosphere. Kiruna is known for its clear skies, which increase the chances of witnessing vibrant northern lights. Reaching Kiruna is quite easy, as there are regular flights to Kiruna Airport from major cities in Sweden. From the airport, you can easily reach the town center by taxi or public transportation. Alternatively, you can take a scenic train journey to Kiruna through the picturesque Swedish countryside. Apart from the northern lights, Kiruna offers a range of winter activities such as dog sledding, ice fishing, and snowshoeing. You can visit the famous Kiruna Ice Hotel, a unique structure made entirely of ice and snow. Remember to check the local weather conditions and aurora forecasts for the best chances of witnessing the northern lights. Layer up with warm clothing, bring a tripod for stable photography, and be patient as the lights can be unpredictable.